Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. Here we have a 2015 Ford Transit van. Has 185 Ks on it, and the price is $21,900. This is a medium height, medium length model. Comes with the EcoBoost engine. It's got some nice solid interior in it. Checker plate flooring. Logistic strapping all the way around. Ventilation as well. It's got a backup camera. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Has an aftermarket cruise system installed. And there's the interior panorama there. Again, 185K, $21,900 is the price. This 2015 Ford Transit.